This tree's flowers created the world's most iconic perfume. Meet the Ylang Ylang tree, Cananga odorata, a fast-growing tropical canopy tree whose intensely fragrant golden star-shaped flowers yield one of the most valuable essential oils on Earth. The name Ylang Ylang comes from the Tagalog word ilang, meaning wilderness, a nod to this tree's natural forest habitat in the Philippines, Indonesia, and Malaysia. Its oil has been a key ingredient in Chanel No. 5 since the perfume's creation in 1921. A single mature tree can produce up to 20 kilograms of flowers per year, but it takes roughly 100 kilograms of flowers to produce just 1 kilogram of essential oil. The flowers are most fragrant at dawn, which is why harvesters traditionally collect them in the early morning hours. And here's the twist. The world's largest producer of Ylang Ylang oil is the Comoros Islands of East Africa, where French colonists introduced the tree in the 19th century, far from its native home. Plant your Ylang Ylang at the start of the rainy season so it gets plenty of moisture while its roots establish. Give it well-drained, slightly acidic to neutral soil, and space trees 8 to 12 meters apart. It grows fast, up to 2 meters a year, so regular pruning keeps it manageable and encourages flower production at a reachable height. Do plant in frost-free tropical climates with consistent rainfall. Do prune to manage height, especially if you're harvesting flowers. Don't plant near structures or underground pipes, because the lateral roots can cause damage. And don't expect it to survive any frost. Even brief cold exposure can severely damage or kill this tree. From tropical wilderness to the most famous perfume bottle in history, the Ylang Ylang tree reminds us that nature's most extraordinary gifts often come wrapped in simple golden petals. Restore, protect, inspire.